So, how to create a vlog? It's quite easy to do nowadays thanks to the smartphone camera we all have, but there are some certain steps you need to go through to create the perfect vlog that is engaging, serious, and professional looking so that you gain subscribers, repeated viewers, create a fan following. In today's video, I will start from the beginning, like how to shoot the video, how to create the script, and also the editing part, which can uplift the vlogs to a next level, make it stand out from the crowd. Welcome to Gadgets Portal. This is Shukesh, and let's get started. Well, it's always the best idea to shoot in daylight. Use the sun as your lighting source. If you're indoor, open the windows or maybe go to the balcony. If that's not possible, use some diffused lighting source like this ring light or some small LED lights. Handheld shooting might not be the best idea, especially if you are moving. So better invest in a small selfie stick or gorilla pod. And if you have the budget, maybe a gimbal for steady shots. Whenever possible, use a tripod or simply keep it inside a glass. When you are at a restaurant, you can create makeshift tripod just like that. Next and most vital part is audio. Believe me, if the audio is not clear, it will kill your vlogs. And when you are shooting outdoor, your voice is going to get quite noisy due to wind and surrounding noise. So invest in a microphone, which is very important. You can find one at as low as $10, but I would suggest you to go for a premium one. It will be worth it, guys. Now I have three footages shot in three different scenarios. One is with a tripod, one is handheld, and the last one is shot indoor with a microphone. First, let's take this footage. There are so many things wrong with this footage. First of all, it's shaky and also overexposed. There is too much noise in the audio. So let's start with the stabilization feature, which is under AI tools. Enable it, and depending on the shake, you can set the smooth level. Then click to start analysis. There you go, the video has been stabilized. Let's check it out. This is Shukesh here, and so we are currently outside, and it looks like it has been shot with a professional gimbal. Now there is another option called lens correction, which is very useful if you're using action cameras. The camera profiles are listed here. You can click, and also you can set the resolution and do the lens correction as needed. Next, let's try to work on light and color. There are some LUT presets. If you shoot the footage in log with a professional quality camera, then these LUT presets might be useful. In the light option, you can tweak with the exposure, the brightness, contrast, and also adjust the temperature. Set the shadows, the white and the black levels. Now I am going to show you an excellent tool called color match, which can match the color between different scenes. You can go to comparison view, and we have the reference frame on the left and the current frame on the right. So using this frame as the reference, the current frame, that is the footage of the right hand side, will be adjusted just like that. There is this protect skin tone option, which can protect the skin tone after applying the effect, as you can see. So adjust that as well if needed. But Hey everybody, this is Shukesh here, and so now these footages look very close to each other. Let's work on the third footage now. Once again, so many things to correct. You can of course adjust the color, light, just like the way I showed you before. There are some color wheels for more advanced users, so you can tweak the shadow by different color and also adjust the midtones, highlights as needed. Another professional tool you have is this curve, with which you can play with the midtones, the shadows, etc. And you can also check HSL, that is hue, saturation, and light. Filmora 13, there are specific tools to get the perfect look. It's now much better, and there is almost no noise thanks to the microphone I'm using in this video. In Filmora 13 video editor, you also get lots of filters to choose from. So give your videos some cinematic look, and also depending on the theme of your videos, you have different options like lifestyle, festival, scenario, creative, portrait, and also these log presets depending on the camera you are using. Camera, and there is practical. Now let's talk about audio. There is too much noise in this footage, right? So go to the audio tab. There are options to denoise the audio and also enhance the speech. You get AI speech enhancement and also wind removal, normal denoise, de-reverb, hum removal, hiss removal. So use these tools to enhance the audio in your videos. To make your vlog sound interesting, you can use background music, and in the audio library of Filmora 13 you can find thousands of music to be used in your videos. You can also use AI music and generate your own royalty-free music depending on the mood, theme and genre of your vlog. There are endless features and tools in the Filmora 13 that can help you create amazing quality videos for your channel. But at the end of the day, it's all about storytelling. It's all about you, how you present yourself, the authenticity of your content. So work on that. I hope that this video was useful. Thank you so much for watching.